Hey there, and welcome to another Chairside Chat with me, Michelle Strange, this week brought to you by EMS. So I've covered the 8 steps in the guided biofilm process, and I wanted to discuss the powders used in the EMS prophylaxis master unit. So EMS has 2 powders that can be used inside of the unit. One is the classic powder, which is a sodium bicarbonate powder. Many clinicians who have used an air water powder streaming device are probably familiar with sodium bicarbonate. We've used it for a long time and we understand it has limitations. And don't get me wrong, I have it, but I only break it out if I have some very stubborn stain. Now, the classic powder from EMS is about 40 microns and has a pH of around 8.1. And it can be used on enamel, but sodium bicarbonate is limited and should not be used on white spot lesions, restorations, dental implants, and soft tissue. So really just enamel. And on the other hand, we have erythritol. That it can be used on soft tissue. It can be used on dental implants and restorations and root surfaces. It is a much smaller particle size at about 14 microns, and it's spherical in shape, which makes it really gentle. And the benefit of this type of powder is its ability to remove the biofilm while leaving soft and hard tissues unharmed. It's efficient, it's minimally invasive, and the patients find it so incredibly pleasant and comfortable. Further, with its sweet taste and a gentle spray, the Plus powder is perfect for children, people with orthodontics, recall patients, patients with primary and secondary preventive care, and your supportive periodontal therapy. It's so comfortable that if I didn't disclose the patient before and then showed them after what their mouth looks like, I don't think they would think I was actually doing anything for them. At least the disclosing solution shows it. And my favorite part is spraying the tongue once I remove the biofilm from the hard surfaces. This often gives that patient a really refreshing feeling in their mouth and removes any staining or that coating that we often find on the tongue. And you can learn more about the powders from EMS, especially the Plus powder that can be used supragingival and subgingival. And you can do that by heading over to ems-dental.com. And if you're excited about GPT and enjoying these Chairside Chats, go ahead and press that heart button and send us a like or drop a comment. And thanks for hanging out with me for another Chairside Chat.